Samantala, kaibigan, Sara Geronimo.
I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. But it's all coming
Thank you! Para kay Sara, isang Bible mula kay Mommy Divine. At ang sabi niya, manalig ka sa Diyos dahil kahit ano naman ang gawin natin dito sa mundong ito ay babalik at babalik tayo sa Kanya. Di ba?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat. Okay, Frenchie, bakit ganyan ang tingin mo? Kung halimbawa, Frenchie, sabihin ng Panginoong Diyos, Frenchie,
Carry my love through all the seasons. Carry my heart inside the reasons. You were my prayer, my every thought. That I would guard at any cost. You are my safe inside the storm, and in your arms I am at home. Every emotion that's uncharted gives me a joy from where we started. Gary! Thank you to Randy.
salamat.
Thank you, Popsters.
Samantala, kaibigan, narito, I'd like to present to you with pride the 10 finalists ng Little Big Superstar. Umpisahan natin sa the singing darling ng Angeles City, Christine Sanchez.
I'm gonna close my eyes.